So what is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a new POV video. So today I actually have something that's very interesting for you all, and if you're an active member within the SA car community, you might be familiar with this car because we are inside a VW Golf 7.5 GTI. This is the car that belongs to Raw Content SA, and he makes some of the coolest POVs in the country right now, documenting his journey with his car, mainly going to different breakfast runs and so on. So I'll definitely link his channel down in the description below and also include it on screen right now. In case you haven't watched any of his stuff, do check him out because, like I said, it is absolutely cool. So today we're basically just going to take this car for a drive around. He said I could take it for a spin, I can give my honest review, and if you've been watching my videos for a while, you know I love the VW Golf platform, particularly the Mark 7s, 7.5s and the 8. So this is no brainer. This is a car I love. This is a car I know so well. We've featured them so many times on the channel in the past. And this one comes with a bit of sauce. So let's see what that sauce does to the car. So I think I'll just hop onto the drive mode selector, engage sport, instantly downshift, and I'll go into manual and control the gears myself, and let's just have the first few stints of the experience. Oh damn, the first thing I notice is the throttle response. It is so responsive compared to like the stock car. I don't know if it's part of the tuning and stuff, but instantly noticeable. You can also hear a lot more of the blow off noise from the engine bay. I don't think I mentioned this, but the car has a stage 1 tune, has a full exhaust system, an air intake, and yeah, it's making quite a lot of power. I don't know if he wants me to say the power. Do you want me to say it?
No.
No, okay. So we'll keep it a secret. Just know that it is quite saucy. That blow off noise is just crazy. There's usually a speeding camera here, so just going to chill and make sure that we're all good. Okay, seems like they're not here today, so the Golf GTI, man. I mean, this car needs no introduction to you guys, to our market in general. This is the favorite hot hatch in the market for a good reason, simply because it offers the best of everything when it comes to performance, usability, daily driving, comfort, tech, all those things. It's just one perfect package in one car. So I think that's the main reason why these are so popular, and they have a street cred like no other. Like everywhere you go, everyone knows a GTI, everyone wants a GTI. Yeah, you can tell there's a lot of torque here because you can see the traction control light flickering. Yeah, man, I have to say this thing is so explosive now. Like, look at this. Yeah. It's certainly a lot more fun to drive. And say what you want to say about tuning cars, but if done the right way, man, it can just transform your car into a totally different beast. Oh, jeez. Noise. Yeah, that is insane. I don't know what else to add, but I think the main point of the video is just to share the driving experience with the car. Struggling for traction there. Let me just lower my window a bit. That blow off noise. And then you get the burbles. So what I like about this exhaust setup is most people on these cars, they go for a downpipe, and for me personally it changes the tone in a very bad way, so it doesn't quite sound pleasant. But I know different ships, well, different tastes for different people basically is what I'm trying to say. But what I like about this setup is it maintains the stock exhaust tone, and that for me just goes a long way. Because if you didn't know that the car has a full exhaust system, I don't think you could actually tell that something has been done to the exhaust. So that's what I love and appreciate about it. So it's done right. Jeez, man. Yeah. Nothing more to add about that. I think we should add some sort of highway driving actually. So let's go this way and unleash it a bit. Yeah, you certainly get up to speed so quickly. That blow off noise is so addictive. Yeah. Can't say. So let's hop onto the highway now and off ramp on the next exit, because I know so many of you guys like complaining in the POVs that why didn't you take it to the highway? Well, the main reason is so many of these cars, it's so easy to get over the speed limit. On the highway you're already doing 120, and with these cars it's so easy to clock 140, 160. So that is why there's a lot going on here. delivery is so consistent, like throughout the entire ref range. Like I'll demonstrate just now. Like look at this. Yeah. It is an absolute beast right now. Oh geez. I think I wouldn't want to come across one of these in a stock 8 GTI or an i30N because you'll definitely be wondering, or be left wondering, what's put into this car. Certainly a lot of traffic for a Sunday. Which is unfortunate, but hey. Just so addicted to that blow-off noise. Ideal setup on a 7.5 has always been maybe doing like a rest delete, because I've noticed that with a rest delete you also don't lose the stock tone, because like I said, most people do downpipes and that for me just kind of ruins it. So I never thought about the alternative of going the route of a full exhaust system. So I think also putting on like a racing line air intake, that would be cool, and then just keeping it at a stage 1 tune. I think that setup is perfect, but I quite like what's been done with this car. This is something I would consider doing. Just noticed I jumped a red light, but yeah, sometimes you just have to. So this setup basically I quite like, and I would go for something like this, because the reality of it is, in standard form, the car is still cool and it's nice, but sometimes you're just left wanting for more, basically. So would I recommend this sort of setup? Yeah, definitely 100%. I think this is certainly a job well done. Traction control flickering at over 80 kilometers an hour. Going straight, let me go this way. So for the rest of the video, we're just basically going to be driving in town, and yeah, I think we'll conclude it in the next 3 minutes or so. Oh, that's what we like. Oh. I just love that sound that you get out of short shifting as well. guys, I think after pulling into this turn, we'll call it a day. But there's actually some more exciting stuff that we'll shoot with this car. I'm just not sure if I've posted it before or after this POV, but yeah, it'll be on the channel either way. This is the last one. And yeah, until next time, that's cheers from me.